Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to link Calendly to Squarespace website in 2024. Of course, Calendly is a fantastic way to or tool for scheduling, as example, appointment, for also scheduling some meetings online. And also integrating it with your Squarespace website will make it very easy and will makes of course booking with your like visitors very seamlessly. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into the video and simply let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
So first, you'd like to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, basically just go to the URL section and basically just type here squarespace.com. If it's your first time, of course, you'll be taken here to this page. Here, of course, you'll have to click on login to log in into your account. As you can see, if you don't have an account, if you have an account, don't have accounts, click on get started. If you have an account, click on login as an example in here. So you'll be able also to use a Google, Apple, or Facebook account if you don't have to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So once you're logged in, of course, you'll be taken to the dashboard right away. Here, you'll find the website that you have. So choose the website that you want and link Calendly into it. Of course, if you don't have any websites yet, or maybe I don't know, you want to create a new website, of course you can go here and click on create a website. I've already made a video about it, so you can go and check it out. I've even shown you how to create a website using AI if you are interested about that. So for me here, I'll just go and choose a website to try to link Calendly into it. In the meantime, of course, make sure to go and open new like the tab and type here calendly.com. So calendly.com, hit the enter button. This should take you as an example to their website right away. For me here, or it's going to be the same, you'll have to click on login to log in into your account if you have one. If you don't, you'll have to click on get started. Of course, you can use also a Google account or Microsoft account, so you don't have to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your accounts. For me here, I'll just go and choose Google. I'll click on my account right here. And as you can see, by continuing, Google will share your name, email address, language preferences, profile picture with Calendly, so you can see the privacy policy. If you, in terms of service, if you agree to it, click on continue. As you can see, all the information is here that you don't have to fill manually. Google will share it with Calendly. So already has some access as an example. Yeah, because I already have an account. I'm just trying to sign in as an example. And as you can see, you will find yourself here already on Calendly. So now, as an example, if you go to this list panel and let's just try as an example to start connecting Calendly right now. So you have two options. Of course, you can go here and create whatever you want and try to embed that code into your Squarespace websites. It's very easy to do that. As an example, I'll show you how to do 3 steps of it. So first step as example, I'll just check if there's like extension here in Squarespace, which will make it easier. So if you go to this list panel, click on settings option in here. Here, go to third-party tools, connected accounts as example. Let's look for Calendly. Okay, so there's nothing here. Just go back, extensions, and let's look for Calendly in here. So, okay, no Calendly in here. So it seems like this is not an option. So there's two other options other than that. Of course, you either have to go first of all to Calendly, go to this list panel, click on integration and apps, and here, of course, you'll basically have to look for Squarespace. If you just go and click on all integrations, click on Control F on your keyboard, then simply just type Squarespace, and as you can see, you'll find it right here. So once you are here, just go and click on it, as you can see, and you'll be taken here. So basically, they'll tell you how to add Calendly on Squarespace site. So as an example, to add Calendly to a Squarespace site, you'll have to go to sign in into that, navigate to the page that you would like to edit or you would like to add it, click on edit and add the code block and follow the steps how to add a code block. So, okay, they'll just take you basically or tell you to do the same step, which is known one is simply embedding a code. Of course, and yeah, of course, you'll have to go and follow the Squarespace how to add the block code, then Calendly retrieve the embed code following the steps and embed Calendly on your site. And in Squarespace, paste the code snippets you copied from Calendly, click on apply, and you should be good to go. And of course, if your code does not display from completing the above step, follow some additional steps, of course. You can go to settings, advanced code injection, add this, of course, to simply add it. So Very simple to do so. I thought like they have like a direct connection where you just connect the accounts, but of course they don't have it. So all you need to do as example, I'll just go here to Calendly, click on create to create like an event type of on one of course one of meeting, which is invites someone to pick like a time to meet with you. Here create a new template or a meeting pool example. So it's actually up to you to go and create whatever you want. You can even choose availability as example to do whatever suits you. So for me, I'll just go here and click on create example an event type. Of course, you can even create a schedule as an example. For me here as an example, I'll just name it like sister. And of course, as you can see, you can do whatever you want on that specific schedule. You can delete it if you don't want to, and a lot of other stuff. Other than that, as an example, if we go here to event type, as you can see, already like have three or events here created. Of course, if you don't have any, you can just go and create a new one. But if you have one already, you can just go and click on it. As an example, this one in here. Now, as an example, I want to get the embed code of that. So if I go here to settings as an example, and where's the share option? So no need to go to settings, just go and click on share. And as you can see here, you can click on add the websites and choose inline embed. As example, you can even choose pop-out widgets or pop-out text, depending on whatever you want. As example, if we choose this, click on continue, they'll give you an embed code. All you need to do is copy this code and get it into Squarespace. And as I said, if you don't have an event ready already, just go and click on create, choose event type, just choose whatever suits you. Of course, all the settings of your event should be added in here. As an example, so click, yeah, I'll just go and add here, I don't know, Zoom. Of course, you'll have to connect Zoom if you choose Zoom. So for me, I'll just go and click on continue. And yeah, as you can see, this is going to be my event. You can choose your availability and etc. So as you can see, once you're done, the event should be created in here. So you can simply just go and click on share again, add to website, choose whatever suits you. Can even choose one of those if you don't want to, if you want to, instead of embed. But for me, I'll just choose embed. As you can see, the code I have here. So I'll just go and click on copy code, go to Squarespace, click on edit right here, scroll down to the bottom. I'll add a section, a blank section. Yeah, once the blank section is added, why it's not added, so let me just go and add the section in here. So it was just like, as you can see, it's added a lot of blank sections right now. But anyway, I'll just keep them. So here as an example, you can just go and click on add the block, go and type code. Of course, we want embed. Once you have this embed code, double click on it, or just click once, then click on this pen or edit icon, then go to code snipped, embed data, and basically you'll be able to add your code in here. Just wait for it to upload. Of course, you'll be able to add like some link if you want to and etc. But for me, I'll just add this embed code. So I'll just go here, copy and paste that code. Once it's pasted, click on save, exit, click on preview, scroll down to the bottom where you just added this thing. As example, should be right here. As you can see, now people or Calendly is connected to your Squarespace and people can successfully start scheduling meeting with you right away. So this is going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.